what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the video for this Garrett AT Max. Sorry, it's been taking so long. I've been having a rough couple days here. We are live. 12/13. Got the list here. We have 50 entries. Bruno on the top. And Joey on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 8 times at 12/13. Let's begin. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. You got Ron on the top. Must go 8. Good luck at 12/13. 12/13. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this Garrett AT Max. Congratulations goes to spot 24, Pete. Congratulations, Pete. Send me a PM and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 12/13. 12/13. Congratulations again, Pete. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Have a good afternoon. Take care.